The magical tale of chocolate, from sacred bean to sweet dream. Have you ever wondered where chocolate comes from? Imagine traveling back in time, deep into the rainforests of Central America. There, a magical story begins. The story of how a bitter bean became the world's favorite sweet treat. A royal secret in the jungle. Picture this. It's 1,500 years ago. Maya kings and queens are sipping a mysterious dark drink from golden cups. But this isn't your everyday hot chocolate. The Maya people discovered something special growing on trees, pods that looked like tiny footballs, filled with treasure. Inside these pods were cacao beans, and the Maya knew exactly what to do with them. The Maya didn't just drink chocolate. They worshipped it. They crushed these precious beans and mixed them with spicy chilies and water to make a drink fit for gods. They believed chocolate was a gift from heaven, and only important people could enjoy it. Imagine drinking spicy, bitter chocolate instead of the sweet bars we eat today. The bean that was worth more than gold. Then came the mighty Aztecs. These clever people had a brilliant idea. They used cacao beans as money. Yes, you could actually buy things with chocolate beans. Imagine going shopping with a pocket full of beans instead of coins. One turkey cost 100 cacao beans, and you could buy a fresh avocado for just 3 beans. The Aztec Emperor Montezuma loved chocolate so much that he drank 50 cups every day. He called it the drink of the gods. The Great Chocolate Adventure. But here's where the story gets really exciting. In the 1500s, a Spanish explorer named Hernán Cortés tried this strange drink. At first, he thought it tasted terrible. Can you blame him? It was bitter and spicy. But then, something magical happened. Spanish chefs had a brilliant idea. They added sugar. This simple change transformed chocolate forever. Soon, chocolate fever spread across Europe like wildfire. Kings and queens couldn't get enough of it. People opened special chocolate houses where rich folks would meet to drink hot chocolate and gossip about the latest news. It was like the fancy coffee shops we have today, but with chocolate instead of coffee. The Great Chocolate Revolution. For a long time, chocolate was only a drink. But in 1847, something amazing happened. A clever English company figured out how to make solid chocolate bars. This was like inventing the wheel. It changed everything. Soon after, Swiss chocolatiers added milk to make it creamy and smooth. Can you imagine a world without chocolate bars? That's how people lived for thousands of years. Chocolate today, a world of wonder. Now, chocolate is everywhere, and it comes in all shapes and sizes. We have chocolate bars filled with caramel, chocolate cakes topped with more chocolate, and even chocolate-covered insects. Yes, really. Scientists have discovered that chocolate makes us happy. It contains special chemicals that make our brains feel good. No wonder we love it so much. But here's something important. Modern chocolate makers are trying to be heroes. They're working hard to make sure chocolate doesn't just taste good, but does good too. They help protect the rainforests where cacao grows and make sure farmers get paid fairly for their work. The sweet secret. Every time you unwrap a chocolate bar, you're holding a piece of history in your hands. Think about it. Those little beans traveled across oceans, through time, from ancient temples to modern candy stores. They've been money, medicine, and magic. They've made kings feel powerful and children feel happy. And the best part? The story of chocolate isn't over yet. people are still creating new and exciting ways to enjoy it. Some chocolatiers are making chocolate in wild flavors like bacon or spicy pepper. Others are creating chocolate that's healthy enough to eat for breakfast. Now that's what we call progress. So next time you bite into a piece of chocolate, remember, you're tasting more than just a sweet treat. You're tasting a piece of history, a bit of magic, and a whole lot of human creativity. From those ancient Maya kings to today's chocolate inventors, people have never stopped finding new ways to enjoy this amazing food. And who knows? Maybe you'll be the next person to create an exciting new chapter in chocolate's delicious story. Remember, every piece of chocolate you eat carries a story that's thousands of years old. Pretty sweet, isn't it? That's all for today. Thanks for learning English with us. If you'd like to read along, you can find the PDF version of this story in the link below. Don't forget to subscribe to join us for more English learning stories. See you next time.